This is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a functionality pro video for an LG 47LE5500. I don't really know, but this is the board's part number is EBR60802040. Again, this is 47LE series board, and it was sent in for repair. This is actually the UC version, the UA version, I believe. The difference is the dynamic LED driver that this board does not have. I'm gonna make another video after that with this board that is also underwent repair and is working fine. So that's the board that is working fine. The usual problem here, the next one will be a little bit more different, and let me see if I can do that in one shot. It may be a little difficult because I don't have helpers now here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the record for a minute and mount this board instead. It had a little bit more problems than the usual processor. One of the ports was also defective, broken when the customer was taking it out, so it had to be replaced. But I'm going to put this on pause and continue in a minute. And this is the second board, as promised, mounted with the replaced connector. I just have to put in some of the inputs to make sure that it's working fine with the HDMIs. There you go, that should be good. Let's see what's that, HDMI 1. It's already connected there. And this is the video of HDMI 1. Pardon the television laying all over the place. Again, this one had the right connector broken, so we had to replace it. This is actually a better quality connector than the original low chip end one, but it's not like it makes a great difference. It's just this is sturdier and harder to break, but not impossible. So be careful when you open, insert all the way even. There is a slight difference here, and if this is not plugged all the way and evenly, it can get half of the screen to be messed up. So if you get half of the screen messed up, hopefully it doesn't short any of those signals and affect the screen. Usually it doesn't. In a few rare cases I've seen it do. But just be careful, play it all the way evenly, and you should be good. That's all. This board, just to see the customers, it was serviced on the 4th of September 2019 with 90 days warranty, and this is EB47LE8500 is the model with dynamic LED driver that provides screen lighting based on the background. And that is all. Thank you very much.